5, maybe by now. I don't know. It feels like it got colder.
Frozen eyelids.
Frozen eyelids. Oh no, mine are good. I was sitting in the warm Jeep, but
You guys can't see me behind the camera, but my eyelashes were froze together, and my eyebrows were froze. So we're doing a cold start today on a 96 Indy Storm.
feels like -14.
Oh boy.
30 degrees feels like -14.
Maybe that's the height.
96 Polaris Storm 800 cold start, guys. We're gonna see how she sounds and if she starts this morning. One thing you always check is your throttles.
We had 2 stick today.
And this one has the factory recoil rope inside the hood.
It's the anti-theft.
RPC Reichert Performance can on it. Apologize for the sniffles, but I'm sniffling hard.
You like the honkers cold.
Yeah, mine too.
There's not much history on this sled, to be honest. We ripped it yesterday, seemed to clear out okay.
Amphibian. I call it the alligator. It takes at least a half hour before it's warm and you can not choke on anything. Paul's the male. But it's cold-blooded.
You guys may see him rip this thing today yet.
Maybe.
You may see him have a sore shoulder.
Let's see what happens. Very cold. Hasn't been started since yesterday.
They're probably still cooking around.
Stiff recoil.
That's how you know it's cold. That rope is stiff as a board.
I'm guessing 15 pulls.
I'm guessing 8.
I'd say 10.
6.
That's 3.
4. 16.
Is there a fuel in it? Oh!
14.
14.
Can we rope on it a little while?
Just warmed up real quick.
Oh yeah, you ain't cold no more, buddy. Man. Imagine how cold-blooded it's going to be today. Mind you guys, we never did anything to this.
19.
What?
Oh, no, it was 19.
No, this is funny.
This will beat me.
Get him there, little guy.
Holy cripes, boy, she's cold just standing around.
Oh, yeah. Why the honkers?
The honker is not a honker.
Why did the honkers frozen tight?
Uh-oh. She likes that. Yep, she's getting mad. Greasy pig. Greasy pig. The honker. Pork. Lots of pork. Greasy pig. Turbo charger. Sounds the best it sounded ever.
It's on about like
2 5/8, which is like 7/8 each cylinder. You know what I mean? It's like
Not a
almost
single
there.
one's
it's
firing
like almost there.
fully.
It's not firing fully. It's almost there.
Yep. It's cold in the farm today, though.
Getting out of bed on a Monday morning.
You guys just wait till we do the next 800 cold start. That Formula, or no, Mach Z 800. That'll be the next cold start you'll be seeing.
My alligator's still cold.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Call a seasonal bog. Whenever you want to use them, it's bog.
Yep.
Or an acquired bog.
Yep. Pull the hood open on this one. We can show these guys what's under the hood. It's not a Formula 3, guys, just so you know.
It is a 3-cylinder.
It has.
A
Well,
454.
Right.
Well, a big block.
Mach Z 800, guys, 97. Some
Goodyear.
kind of goofy stinger can on it.
B&B Eliminator.
Oh, she's a nasty old pig. Competition carbides on it.
It was an old race sled
Yeah.
back in the day. You guys can see it's got sway bars on it too down there, stabilizers. But yeah, you can definitely tell it's the chain case.
I may or may not have blown a belt yesterday.
Yeah, this guy may or may not have blown a belt and gave us all a dirty old freaking scare.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't sound so good.
Oh, it's cold. It literally until that thing is glowing red, it doesn't run.
Until the pipes are glowing.
And my snozberries are frozen to my mustache.
All right, buddy. Give her a send.
What's the pull estimate?
I'm thinking 10 pulls
12. I'm thinking 5, 12.
I got 3.
When's the last time you ran it?
yesterday.
Yeah, I kind of should have went with 9.
Now that's running on 3 cylinders.
That's running on 3, that's all fair.
Oh no! Oh yeah.
Pipes are only half red. Yeah, she's still cool.
Holy crap, dude. Oh! Damn near barrel rolled it over. Oh boy.
That thing is really only good for going straight.
Exactly.